So if this is the first time would you like to generate your Facebook page, you will come to the right place. And of course, to make sure this process actually works, we must have an actual Facebook profile in order to continue. So you don't have to worry about that if you're just getting started. So the first thing is to find the page creator. So the first thing and most easiest way is to sign in into your regular Facebook account. Once we are open Facebook into my desktop, I use desktop because it's much more faster, but you can still do this directly into your application or into the browser of your mobile. Once I am directly inside here, what I wanted to do is to open my element of the menu into the top right corner. So from here, I wanted to make sure that I focus into the element that says create. Now inside create, you wanted to make sure that here it should be appearing this element that says paged. If you don't see that element, what you can always do is to open a new tab, make sure that you already signed into your Facebook account, and type www.facebook.com/pages/creation, and you will be now sent directly into this element. And now this is the actual most easiest part. Now what you want to do, of course, is to make the name, the category, the bio, and everything really simple. So give your page an actual name. Make it clear and easy to spell. For example, Easy Tech Daily. Now here into my category, what you want to do is to enter what you're actually focused on. Let's say, for example, that I focus into making some creation. Let's go to the element that says blogger. And here into the bio, you wanted to go for something optional. Let's say content creators, something like that. Then when you hit into the element that says create the page, it will be asking you for the next step, which is the photos and the call to action. So this is a time for the visuals, you might be saying. What you want to do is to upload a clear profile photo that looks good into your mobile too, as well, of course. Make sure that once the photos are in, you click into add an action button. This lets you choose if you want people to message you, to be the shop, to book an appointment directly from the page, or just send it directly into them. So basically what you want to do is just to let's say follow the prompts in order to continue. In my case, since we are already focusing from a page to Facebook and send this directly from YouTube, what I do is to focus directly into my channel. Let's say that we don't have yet an official channel, so I'm going to be using this URL. I copy and paste it. If you wanted to use an email, phone number, you are good to go. In my case, I won't do it at the moment. There's no hours available because we are not doing that kind of work. And here you wanted to add a profile picture as well as a cover photo. So make sure that when you select that element, the cover, it actually looks great inside this bubble. So I can add a cover photo directly inside here. This is just an example, of course. For me, it will be taking really tons of hours to set this up for myself. So I think that this one actually works for me. Just go scroll a little bit down. You can add an action button, as I just told you. And let's say, for example, choose the element that says contact us, send an email, call now, watch now. Let's go for the element that says watch now. And I use exactly the same link of the YouTube. So I hit for the option that says save. I hit the next, and my next prompt usually will be linking the ecosystem. So if you're using, for example, WhatsApp for businesses, you can link this directly to make this process much more faster. In my case, I won't do it because we don't have a WhatsApp business right now. If you wanted to invite your friends to grow your channel, your page much more faster, you can do it. So in my case, I won't do it at the moment, and I'm gonna hit for deleting to say forward about my page because it's not relevant for me actually. But it's one of the highest converting features Facebook offers, and it only takes 5 seconds to set this up. Once you're finished with this element, your page is live and ready for the world. If this walkthrough helped you get you started, don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Tech Daily for more quick business tech. You let us know into the comment below what you think about your new Facebook page, and if you wanted to see more content about how to let's say do the best tools directly into Facebook. Thank you for watching. Well, see you next time.